Hey guys, figured about time to meet the face that's been doing all your videos for the past year or so. My name's Josh, and I've been working on this Camaro for about 3 years or so. And just kind of a little bit of feedback. I love you guys' comments and likes, everything. So thank you very much for being part of my videos and the likes and the comments. It's great. Thank you very much. A little bit of the history. So my dad, he's the original owner. He did buy this in November of 1967 in Doylestown, Pennsylvania. And then from there, he moved from Pennsylvania to California in the early 70s, I believe. And then from there, the car has been here in California ever since. It's been was in great condition for so many years. And sure, I remember being a kid riding in the back of this thing. So it was great. My brother drove it in high school. I drove it in high school. Drove it when I went to community college, so it's been a big part of my life, and so working on this car is pretty important to me, making sure that I try to do the best I can. And then in terms of my progress right now, most of you know probably it's already painted, interior is mostly done, but I've been waiting for the painters to get back on the schedule. There's some other things that need to be done. The interior dash needs to be repainted, the trunk needs to be repainted. And then some miscellaneous things like some holes need to be drilled for all the emblems and some moldings on the rocker panels. So I've been biding my time until he's ready. I got about 99% of the stuff all cleaned and ready to go. A lot of materials already purchased. So right now I'm just in a little leeway waiting for the painter. I'm ready to put it back together. I'm ready to do electrical. I'm ready to throw the engine in. I'm ready to do interior. I'm ready to rock and roll. So I've got everything here in the garage all stored, ready to go. And hopefully maybe I'll be done by the end of the year of 2024. So maybe summer, maybe I'll probably not maybe driving this thing and getting going. Again, just big thanks for everyone for watching my videos, making the comments, keep them coming. So I'm really enjoying doing this. Any questions, go ahead and post them. Yeah, dude. So that's it. Thanks again, and I'll try to post as many videos as I can. It is wintertime here, and so it's a little slow here and there. And that's it, man. So thanks again.